there, my Foxy Peeps. Guess what time it is? It's time for Geek Fuel. Which, I like this side better. Geek Fuel. So, I'll figure out where to open it. And where I put my little knife thingy. And where the blade is. Yee. And we'll open it up. Okay, well, I think my blade got dull. Open it up and see what we got. And that's what you see at first. Okay. Trying to do two things at once. There we go. There you go. Okay. And it's a game download of Dino-Side, I think. I don't know. And I think it's only this one game download. If I can figure out how to... Really? Well, it's a $10 value. But I can't figure it out. Ooh! Cool. We got a mystery figure. Vinyl figure. And these are the ones on the back. What you could get. My camera is being a butt and doesn't want to focus. It's being a butt. So let's see what we got. Really? The plastic is smarter than me. But the plastic is always smarter than me. And this is the garbage can. Okay. And another blind bag. Let's see. I think it's Thor. That's what I'm going to assume. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? No, I was wrong. I think it's Wonder Woman. Is she backwards? I think Wonder Woman is backwards. There we go. Or was she forwards? No, I think she's forwards now. I think it's Wonder Woman. Yay! I got a Wonder Woman. Wonder. Okay. I don't even know what the theme of this is. Okay, Geek Fuel. Let's see, let's find and see where they've got everything that you get. Trying to look, there's that. Well, maybe they don't. Anywho. Okay. Got a poster. And a rubber band. Ooh, and it has a certificate of authenticity. And it's Zelda. I got a Zelda. With a certificate of authenticity. That is awesome. When I figure out how to put it back in there. Come on, let's put Zelda back. Okay, got a Zelda. What's this? Holy moly! I got a humongously huge book. And it's amazing, fantastic, incredible. Holy. Got a big, huge book of comics. Woo, that's awesome. That's a $30 book. I'm just seeing the price of it. I don't know if my camera will focus on that. I don't know, because I can't keep my arm steady. Come on, camera, focus. It doesn't want to focus. But that's a $30 book. That's pretty awesome. Awesome geek fuel. So we got the Batman versus Superman mystery minifigure, which we got Wonder Woman. And then we got the book. Let's see. We got the downloadable game. Aww. There was a variant, a limited edition variant, and I didn't get it. How sad. Of the poster. How sad. Oh. Oh, that's on this side. And then Vision of Justice. It tells you what we got for the t-shirt. If I can get it up right. There's the t-shirt. T-shirt. Doesn't it usually tell us what's in the next box? I didn't get nothing that told me what's in the next box, but that's alright. So, that was my box. It's pretty awesome that I have a Zelda poster, which I don't know, I need to get a frame for it, and then I think I'll stick it in my kids' room, because my oldest boy likes Zelda. So, I'll probably get a frame for that. But, I'll leave it to... Sorry, I just worked an 8-hour shift, so I'm kind of tired. I'll leave the info in the description down below. Yeah, there we go. And you guys can check it out if you want to. Like, comment, or subscribe, because I randomly upload videos. And thanks for watching. Bye!